Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Adobe's Generative Fill AI to edit your photos without downloading or using Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get started. To use the Adobe Generative Fill AI feature, you can easily visit the Adobe Firefly AI page and click the Generate button in the Generative Fill section. Now, click Upload Image to upload your photo. Let's try using this Generative Fill AI to change the image background.
Begin by clicking the Background button to remove the current background. Next, describe your desired output in the prompt input. Click the Generate button to initiate the process. Adobe Firefly AI will present you with 4 options. To save the resulting image, click the Download button located in the top right corner. If you find the results unsatisfactory, click the More button to generate additional options. To conclude your current editing session, click the Keep button. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to create a new prompt. Now let's proceed with editing an object within the photo. In this tutorial, our objective is to change the hot pants to a black color skirt. To accomplish this, use the Remove button on the left side to eliminate the object. Additionally, click the Settings button to adjust the brush size as needed. Remove the object from the image using the brush. Afterward, click the Insert button and provide your prompt for the Generative Fill command. Moving on, let's incorporate a new object into the photo using Adobe's Generative Fill AI. Select the Remove button and adjust the brush size in the Settings menu. Erase specific areas in the photo, ensuring that the shape aligns with the desired object to be added. For instance, in this example, we want to add a deer head on the wall, so we will create an oval area. Click Insert to open the prompt menu and enter your prompt. Finally, click Generate to commence the process of adding the new object to your photo.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye bye.